It's a happy day, it's a happy night. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe. Teresita Standard. Thank you po sa lahat ng aking mga subscribers. Ako po ay nagka-problema na naman dito sa aking tuhod. Ito, tumahan natin yung camera. Nakatali na naman siya. Ayan po. Namamagana naman. Nice train ko po siya. Sabi ng doktor ko, sobra daw sipag ko. Pero sabi sa akin, you have a strong bones. Sabi sa akin. Nagpunta po kami nung Monday. Nagpunta kami sa Shady Grove Adventist. Dahil I was in a lot of pain. From 1 to 10 is more than 10. Nagpunta po kami doon. Usually, pag nagpunta ka sa emergency hospital, ikaw ay bibigyan ng lunas para sa sakit. Di po ba? Yung doktor, pabalik-balik siya. Dinadaan-daanan ako. Sabi ko, how about my pain? I need to have something for this pain. I'm in a lot of pain right now. Pain? Titingnan lang ako, maglalakad na naman. In-x-ray po itong aking tuhod. In-x-ray at in-ultrasound. Hindi po niya binasa sa akin yung result. Kaya yun ang aking pinasasama ng loob. Pumunta ka sa ospital para mawala yung sakit. Wala po. Nung in-x-ray ako, tinanong ko yung nagtulak sa akin, is the doctor will give me pain reliever? Said, I don't know about that. If you don't need it, he will not give it to you. But I said, I feel terrible right now. The pain is devastating. Too much pain that I'm with right now. Hindi na ako libo. In-x-ray. Tapos lumabas na. Tapos sabi sa akin, the doctor will read the result. Okay. Hintay ako, hintay. Maya-maya may lumapit na naman sa akin. Yung ultrasound daw. Itong aking, yung mula dito sa groin, dito sa singit, hanggang sa baba, hanggang sa talampakan. Pati itong kabilang singit ko, in-ultrasound. Bata pa yung nag-ultrasound sa akin, mukhang Pilipino. Sabi ko, are you Filipina? Tapos sinignan ako, oh yes po tita, Pilipina pala kayo. Sabi ko, bakit yung doktor na yun ayaw kong bigyan ng gamot sa sakit? Sabi ko talagang napakasakit ng pakiramdam ko ngayon. Hindi ko maitapak yung left foot ko sa sahig. Para akong hihimatayin sa sakit. Sabi, tanangin niyo po siya tita. Kasi ako yung ultrasound ko lang po kayo. Kulitin niyo siya. Sabi sa akin. Dahil lumabas na, sabi ko sa tansya mo, meron akong cyst, meron akong blood clot, meron na, sabi, yung pong doktor ang magbabasa nito, tita, bawal po sa amin ang magbigay ng mga konklusyon. Sila po, nasa kanila yung pinaka-final say. De, okay na. Sabi ko, siguro pag nabasa niya, dahil makikita niya, namamaga naman talaga itong hita ko, malaki pa sa mukha ko, siguro bibigyan na niya ako ng gamot. Kulang na lang umiyak po ako doon dahil sa sakit, nakakahiya naman. Tanda ko na, umiiyak pa ako. Pagka inabot na sa akin yung disc, we can release you now. What? How about my pain reliever? You will release me, you will send me home with this pain. I'm here for the pain. I didn't come here for you to x-ray me, to ultrasound me. I came here for the pain. I'm in a lot of pain right now. Debilitating pain. If you understand that, kasi ibang lahi din siya, para ako'y um, ina inaano-ano niya eh. Sabi ko, how about the pain reliever? Oh, pain reliever. Lalakad na, hindi iwanan na ako, hindi ako binigyan. Tapos nga, dumating yung nurse. You are here to, for release now. How about the pain reliever? Can you ask the doctor why he didn't give me any? Sabi pa ng nurse, if you don't need it, you don't need it. He will not give you anything. So you think, can you walk from here to the lobby, to downstairs? What do you want me to do? I'm in pain. Drag my back on the floor so that I can get there. Show me a long staircase so that I'll just slide there, going down, all the way down. But walking, I cannot even put my left foot on the floor. The pain is so severe, debilitating pain, severe. 1 to 10, it's more than 10. Wala, hindi ako sinagot. Sabi niya, okay, I will find you a wheelchair. Sabi ko, good, because I'm not moving out from here until you get me a wheelchair. I cannot walk. Nakakita siya, sabi, okay, here's the wheelchair. You need to help me. My husband is not here. I need your help to get out from here so that I can sit in that wheelchair. Tinulungan niya ako, nagdadabog siya. Sabi ko, ang sasama ng ugali pala ng mga attendants dito sa Shady Grove Adventist. This is the first time I experienced this. I always bring my husband there, Ron, during emergency because Bethesda is too far for us. Shady Grove is closer. So, tinulungan niya ako. Pagkasakay ko, nilagay ako sa isang sulok. Wait there for somebody to push you. Okay? It took 30 minutes before I got pushed out from there in a lot of pain, debilitating pain. Like you will almost pull your hair. When we get to the lobby, okay, you can get out now. Walk outside if you want to wait there for your husband. No, you need to push me there. I cannot walk. You need to understand that from the start. I came here for the pain to be subsided, but until now, I'm still in a lot of pain. And now, you are sending me home. And you even want me to walk from here all the way there to wait for my husband? You need to push me there. E di, galit na ako eh. Pinus niya ako doon, nagdadabog pagdating doon. Nilapit ako dun sa bench na bakal. Okay, now you can sit there and wait for your husband. Hindi man lang tinulungan. So, Shady Grove Adventist Hospital, it's the worst experience that you did to a patient sending home without any aspirin or nothing for the pain. You send me home in a lot of pain. Okay? So I will complain. Your name, the doctor and the nurses are all here in these papers here. And the test, the doctor didn't even read it. It say test pending. So I went home in a debilitating pain. I didn't sleep the whole night. Early in the morning, that's a different story. I will tell you next after this, okay? Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You're so very kind to us. Thank you. God bless us all. Happy day, happy night, happy life. Happy, peaceful, healthy, and blessed world to all. Good luck to all of us.